Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James, and we are back with another how-to. Yes, we are. We have to replace the windshield wiper motor on the blue F150. So, we're gonna tear this windshield wiper off of it, and we're gonna pop this plastic off. We're gonna find out what's underside and start working on removing the old motor. I think the first thing we gotta do is pop up this little guy right here. Oops. Let me see here. Oh, it turns. Okay, people. Note to self. So you don't break yours. It turns. See this? Just so you know. The more you know, the easier it is, right? Now I gotta bend mine back to the original position that it was in. All right, next, you're gonna wanna pop these clips. 1, 2, and there's one over here. 3. Simply put your screwdriver underneath it. Pry up a little bit, pops right up. Next, you want to lift this up nice and easily. Disconnect your squirter motor, or your squirter. Here we go, that's disconnected. Now we should be able to take this panel off, like so. All right, we have removed our first arm, as you can see right here. And pretty much all I did was I took a flathead screwdriver and pried up on it, and it eventually gave way. And then I took the little rubber gasket or so they got between these two, because they keep this kind of greased. And I slid that off, and I'm pretty sure you just have to pry up on this one and the whole thing comes off. But I don't know if I need to do all that, because now I have access to this nut. So I'm thinking about just popping that nut off and just lifting that all off as one. I just don't know if it'll be a problem when I go to reassembly it. All right, we're gonna try to pop this guy off right here. Okay, okay, there's our nut right there. All right, see if we can slide this off. I have to get my screwdriver, I'll be right back. Well, she's on there. I wonder if I need to, like, give it a little whack with a freaking hammer or something. Man, that thing is... she's on there pretty good. All right, let me see if I can get something to whack it with. So we are fighting this and it refuses to come off. So we are gonna fight it with fire. We'll let you know how this goes. Not as much on the nut, and hopefully it will. All right, I want to set the grease on fire. All right, people, with a little bit of heat and this guy right here, we have broke it free. Look at that. The arm is free, folks. All right, now we just got to zip off 1, 2, 3 bolts, and we take it apart. All right, you guys, this is an 8mm. There you go, that's out. Okay, these right here are 10mm. There's one. And there's number 2. All right. We pop these bolts out real quick, and we will extract the motor out of there. All right, folks, so we got it all unzipped. Here is our wiper motor on our 2017 F150. Let's see what we got here. Pop that down, and I think I need a screwdriver to pop that clip off. Or, nope. There you go. Old wiper motor out, folks. We got our nice made in China repop windshield wiper motor for our truck. Oh, I can say at least they packaged it halfway decent. Ta-da! Look at that beautiful SOB right there. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. All right, well, let's reinstall it. All right, we're gonna clip our new motor in. Man, don't break your windshield, Jim. Oh, there it goes. I heard it click, and then we push in the little brown thing. All right, and then we will slowly fish this back under here. I don't know how I did it the first time, but we'll get her in there. There we go. We're under there now. There we go. All right, cool. All right. I got my 3 bolts in. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to hit those with the impact and the ratchet real quick, and then we can reestablish putting these arms back on. All right. I should do that. Just got to put this guy in down here. We'll be all set. All right, we're gonna take this, put this back on here like this. We wanna make sure it's perfectly straight, because that's how it was when we took it off. Just like that. And I'll put the nut on, and then we'll put the other arm on. All right, that should be good. While we were replacing the motor, we found out that it's actually the mechanism inside that controls the wipers, not the motor. So now we got that part right there. We're gonna take it apart, throw it on. Ready? Let's go in. Say good morning to the deer. Live from the mobster crib.